Can't make a mojito in an air fryer. Or can you? Hi, you're watching WBM TV. I'm Fee, and today we are bringing you some cool air fryer recipes, and we have got bang bang cauliflower for you. Recently, air fryers have become massively popular because they use less energy, so you can cook food without having to stick your oven on. But there's so much more to an air fryer than just sticking your chips and your chicken nuggets in it. They can do everything. So we want to bring you some of the best recipes and, well, find out if they really are the best recipes. We've got the olive oil in there, and now we're going to add sweet chili sauce, which is this one of my favorites. Right, sweet chili sauce, done. Sriracha. Have you had it? I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a hot chili sauce. So if you don't have actual that one, probably just put any kind of hot chili sauce in, that'd do. Lime juice and garlic. Whisk all of that up. You're basically just mixing it all together. I mean, you know that's gonna taste amazing with that lime juice, the sweet chili, and the garlic in there. Add the cauliflower to the bowl, season generously with salt and pepper, and toss well to combine. Step 2. So let's pop some cauliflower in the bowl. Salt and pepper. Generously. Toss well to combine. I'm not sure I can toss in this bowl. Okay, there we go. That looks good to me. Okay, so let's start putting a bit of that on. A little bit messy. I've got a little bit of extra saucy marinade going on that's dripped down onto there, but that's all right. Let's pop these back in. I'm sure this isn't as messy as this if you did this at home. I can't get it back in! As if by magic, we now have it all in the air fryer. See? Beautifully put in, by myself, of course. So this now is supposed to be cooked at 180 for 12 minutes, tossing halfway through. So we shall do that. We're about halfway through the cooking, so it's time to give them a little turn. I mean, I think they're probably gonna need a bit longer if I'm guessing. I've never cooked it before, but my guess is might want to cook this for a little bit longer. But I mean, obviously it needs another 6 minutes, so we should see when it actually comes out. We're on the 1 minute countdown to our bang bang cauliflower. Is it bang bang good or bang bang bad? We are ready to see how this has come out. We have followed the instructions pretty much to the letter. It is absolutely delicious. Not sweet. Got that kick of the chili. Not too overpowering, slightly limey. But I love that the cauliflower still got a nice bit of crunch to it. I would absolutely cook this for myself. It is absolutely delicious. I think it was so simple to make. Literally a few ingredients, make it into a sauce, stick it in your air fryer. The only thing I would say is I would want mine in for a little bit longer, or maybe on a higher temperature, because the bits where it's gone kind of golden-y like that, they're the tasty bits, where it's a little bit crispier and a bit more golden. I'm Fee, you've been watching WBM TV, basically my new cooking show. Let us know what you think. Have you made it before? Pop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget, we review so you don't have to.